My Samsung phone colors are all black and white. What should I do? So one of the things you want to check on your Samsung phone, if this ever happens, you've checked out the main settings, is to check the bedtime mode. Okay, so your bedtime mode probably is turned on and you're not aware of it. You can check through these quick toggles here and see if any of these are enabled, and it would be known as the sleep mode right there. Okay, so go ahead and check that on here or tap on it once, and it's going to disable it for you and you'll have your colors back again. Now, if you can't find it there, here's what else you can do. So to find bedtime mode and it's not in the quick toggles, go ahead and use the quick panel access, tap on that settings icon right there, and you'll just go down until you see this right here, okay? This part right here, digital well-being and parental controls, okay? Once in this part here, go down some more, and you're going to look for bedtime mode. That's going to take you right to where you need to be, okay? And in some cases, it's probably on and you don't know. And you'll go ahead and turn it off, and then you should get back your colors. Hopefully that helps.